Very good morning, Venus. This is your host, Suman Kalyan, and welcome back to your learning platform, SK Live. Today, I'm going to discuss about how to speak English from scratch. And I am going to divide this video into two parts. In the first part, I'm going to address your real problem, real issue that you are facing right now when you are trying to speak English. And the second thing, I will share some accent tips on this video itself. With the help of those accent tips, you will be able to speak English from the day one. Even if you have nobody to practice English. If you are alone, no problem. You will be able to speak English. You will be able to practice with yourself from day one. So, let's start this video. At the beginning of this topic, let me ask you a simple question because I came across this question lots of time. This question lots of time because many of us think that adding vocab will help them will help us actually to speak English properly. Is it the case? Yes, it might help, but it's not enough unless you speak. Let me ask you another question. In which language do you think when you trying to speak English? Let me guess. It must be your mother tongue or Hindi because we are supposed to do that since our childhood. So what is the problem with this? What is the main problem with this? Actually, when you are trying to think something from your in your mother tongue and then you are trying to translate that thing into English, you end up taking double of the time. Just let me take an example. Suppose you are told to go Delhi from Ahmedabad, but what you have done, first you went to Kolkata, then from Kolkata you came back to Delhi. So you can understand the process from Ahmedabad to Kolkata, then Kolkata to Delhi. It will end up the double of the time, double or triple of the time. That is the case, my dear friends. When you are translating the sentences from your mother tongue into English, it will take much more time. And in this process, there are the chances you might forget some words. Then, to fill those gaps, you started using fillers. What are those fillers? Like and these are the fillers. So, what is the right way to speak English? Before speaking English, you have to think in English. This is the right way. I know you are not supposed to do that because we are not the native English speakers, we are Indians. First, we are going to think something in our mother tongue, then we are going to translate those things into English. But as I told you, those are the wrong ways. The right way is you have to think in English first. But from day one, how can you do that? Don't worry, my dear friends. I'm here with you. Right now, I'm going to share some accent tips. Those accent tips will help you to do that. So, what is my first accent tip? Start speaking broken sentences, broken English. Start speaking English, whatever you know. Forget about the tenses, forget about everything. Start speaking whatever you know. Just think about the situation where you were sitting with your family in a dining table and you need a charming speaker. You can say to your mom, your dad, to your dad or your siblings that could you please pass me the achar? As you don't know, the achar is called pickle in English. In this way, you can start speaking. Start making sentences into your mind. Think about the situation that is going to happen very soon. Like your friend is coming to your home. You can imagine that situation and start framing sentences. Like you can think, when will Amit come? He has my laptop or he has my novel. He has my pen. These days, Amit becomes so careless. If he got late today, I'm not going to forgive him. See, my dear friends, you start speaking. So, if you follow this accent tips, what will happen? Something is always better than nothing. You have something to practice. You have something to speak in English. Yeah, there is the chances that there will be some words that you don't know. That doesn't matter. Later on, you can Google those words or you can find those words in your dictionary. And this way, you can speak English from day one. And there is another benefit. At least you were able to practice some parts of speech. And third benefit is you need no one to practice. You are alone, no problem. Practice with yourself. You are sitting alone, think about a situation, start framing the sentences. You are having dinner with your family, start using some broken English. So, this is the end of my video, but I have an assignment for you. You have to practice these two accent tips religiously if you want to be a good speaker. Don't think this is the end. I'm going to share lots of tricks and strategy to improve your English, but you have to start implementing those steps, otherwise it won't help you. So please implement these two steps from today itself. Thank you, friends. Thanks.